Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello, I'm getting you. Are you able to see the screen?
Okay. Yes, I'm able to see the screen.
It's new now, the screen, I've seen it.
Has Shiresha joined?
Not yet. She
Okay,
knows
let me call.
the receipt.
Ah?
She knows the receipt, and she has been doing it.
Ah, okay.
You're the only one.
Yes, I'm the only one at the office today.
Okay, let's start.
Okay.
So the new one which he will put the screen, the login screen, it will be like this. So you can get one invoice, just one invoice, so that I show you how to do the receipt. One invoice. Hello? Madam?
Yes, I'm here.
I'm saying get one invoice. One invoice.
Okay.
Yes. That's a short one. Short receipt. Okay. You have the invoice?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So now to do the receipt is under sales, eh? Under sales. Then you go to receipt creation here. Receipt.
Can't see that screen. Can you make it bigger? This one.
Which one?
The same one where you're showing me. It's very small. Are you able to make it bigger?
It's bigger. Me, I'm saying it's bigger.
No. Okay. All right. Okay.
It's okay?
Yes, I've made it bigger from my side.
Okay. So now I was saying to create the receipt is under sales, eh? Then you go to receipt creation here. So I'll click on it, receipt creation. So this is the new page for receipts. Just a minute, sorry. I need to create the customer first. I'll create the customer here. Let's say cash sale. Cash sale. When I add. So I'll go again and create the receipt here. Receipt creation. So this is where now you create the receipt. Since you have the invoice, I'll show you the same things which I'll show you is on the invoice. So now on the automatic ID, don't put anything, eh? Don't put,
okay.
You just tap. So now on check number, this is the mode of payment. Did they pay in cash or did they pay in check or did they
It
pay?
was a bank transfer.
Yes, bank transfer.
Yes.
Okay, so we say bank transfer, or you can say transfer, just the same, bank transfer. Then you tab. Now, which bank is that money going? That money.
Invest Trust. So this money is, wait, let me just, I want to have the correct. Just wait.
Or we can use any bank.
Yeah.
Let's say FNB.
Okay, let's just use any bank. So
Yes.
put Zanaco.
Zanaco.
Mm-hmm.
Zanaco. Zanaco Bank. Zanaco Bank. Then you tab, right? Now on the staff ID, don't put anything, right? You just leave it blank like that. Then
Okay.
you go to document date, right?
Mm-hmm.
This one is the date when you are creating the receipt. So I'll put today.
Not the date when they paid.
Or you back date.
I think so.
Well,
Yeah, like the ones we've entered the sales, we'll have to backdate.
then you have to backdate, yes. So let's say
Okay.
you have to backdate the, or you start creating step by step receipts.
Yes, how are we going to do it? You didn't show us this part. We've been invoicing, so we have to receipt to clear the customer. To clear the customer ledger.
Oh, okay. So I'll put it today. You can backdate, there's no problem. So me, I'm putting today's date. Now, how much amount on the total invoice is how much?
The total invoice or what they paid?
What on the invoice there? How much?
No, what if it was a part payment?
Huh?
What if it was a part payment?
That's what I'm saying. It depends on how much they have paid, guys. If it's
You're
payment,
asking me. You're asking me how much was on the invoice. So I'm saying, what if they just paid a bit?
That's what I'm saying. If they paid the bit, let's say, what is the total there on the invoice?
The total 3,200.
So now, from 3,200, if they paid 1,000, right? You put 1,000, right? Then,
Okay.
1,000. Then on foreign currency, is it in dollar or kwacha?
It's in dollar.
Let's use the kwacha. But on the, if it's in dollar, you put the exchange rate, right?
I can give you the exchange rate. It's 16.2.
I'm saying that if you is in dollar, as we use kwacha, you use kwacha here. Or you want us to use it in dollar also?
Yes.
16 point what?
2.2.
Okay. What is the invoice number for ZRA? Not the one which is for invoice number for ZRA.
2784.
Huh?
2784.
27 what?
84.
84.
2541.
2541. So on the invoice number, always put the invoice number for ZRA. Right? So now the currency is USD. Right? You said the exchange rate is 16 point what?
2.
Oh, I'll put in that. So it's USD. USD. Aye. I need to change it. Why is it so strange?
It's correct, the exchange rate.
It's correct?
Yes.
Okay, I'll put 0 plus 16.20. You said
Yes, it's there.
It's 16.2.
It's 16.20.
Oh, okay. Then you tap. Allocation date. Whenever you put the document date there, it automatically brings the allocation date. Right?
Okay.
Don't have to put it manually. Then you select now the same customer which is on the invoice. So me, I'll put mine in cash sale. So you put the same customer name which is on
yes.
That's what the one which you select on is customer ID. Right? So I'll select. So now when you immediately select the customer name, it copies what you are capturing there. You have seen. You on the Excel sheet, you don't have to copy to start again capturing. It captures everything for you. Immediately you select the customer. So now after this, you save, right? Save the receipt.
Okay.
Save the receipt.
Where do you save?
It's here. Save the receipt.
Okay. Okay.
So I've saved the receipt. Now, how do you print the receipt?
Yes.
How to print the receipt? You select the receipt number here. You have seen where I've pointed. And so I will select here. 1. You have seen there's 1 there. Then start date today. I'll put date today. And the end date today. Then I will print here, print the official receipt here. So I'll print the receipt. But see, what to do, always you have like, you print 2 receipts, right? Yours and for the customer, right? Yours and for the customer. So this is the receipt. It was done under USD. And this southern there. So now, you need to approve the receipt, right? So that it goes to the customer ledger. You need to post the receipt. So to post the receipt, you come here again. Here. I'll select again number 1 here. Then on approve receipts, I will select posting here. Then I will authorize the receipt here. Yeah, here. The receipt. So I've authorized the receipt. Journal posting successful. I'll say okay. That's it.
Okay, very simple.
It's very simple. Now, for you to check, you need to check it two accounts, right? You need to check the customer ledger individually, 1-1, and for all customers, right? So to check those, I'll come out from there. I want to see that receipt if it has gone. Now the problem, you know where the problem is. We only started with the receipt. We didn't start with the invoice. Right?
Yes.
That's where the problem is. But he had put the software for VAT. Now I have no gadget. Instead of non-VAT. So let's see what will happen. But I want to show you where to check those so that it cancels. So I'll go to customer ledger here. This one is only 1 customer. It's under sales. Go to customer ledger. So today, end date today. Then only customer select cash sale. But you select your own customers, right?
Yes.
You know, select none. On account code, you are checking for data, right? So you type in data is already there in the system. So when you type in D, it automatically it comes. You just select data here. Then you preview, right? Preview the report. So this one is only showing the receipt only. And you have seen it has converted to USD.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, 16,200.
Mm.
So if there was an invoice, it would have cancelled that from 3,000, the balance would come down here. Right?
Yes.
Yes. So this one is okay. So now there's another one which you have to check for all customers. Right? So I'm going to age for all customers. You come here, age analysis report here. Then I'll click on data again. Then today. Preview report. So you have seen it's here. So all your customers, they will be dropping down there. So this is the only thing. Receipt is very simple. When you approve the receipt, it goes and cancel the balance. So from 3,000 there, if they paid part payment, maybe 1,200, the balance will show at this client is owing this much. Aye. So is it clear on the receipt?
Yes, it's very clear. I think it's not complicated.
Yeah, it is not. What else did you want to ask?
I think it's supposed to be what, the receipts and what, the cash book.
The cash book, he didn't show me. He said that you only want first the receipt.
No, the receipts we are done because I even just tried it myself. So I've just confirmed it's not complicated. So it's cash book now.
Cash book we didn't show me. He said that I can't start going into things which I don't know. He has to show me how it works. Otherwise you'll make my mistakes.
Yes.
Let's say now you have the money has come in the bank. You need to debit, I don't know, the cash what. So this one I can't teach you.
And you are not an accountant, yes.
No, I'm not an accountant. I'll just teach you. Then you said you advised me wrongly. So that's it.
Okay. Okay, receipt we are done. It's straightforward. You can ask him for me about the other things. I think we still have time.
Okay, he's here. That's why it is here.
All right.
The cash book. Receipt we are done. He was asking the cash book.
You do the cash book, right?
You didn't show me the cash book.
No. Go to where? Madam.
Yes, sir.
Open the ledger. Where you have put the receipt for the cash book. The receipt, the customer, open it by yourself. The customer.
Oh, yes, it's hard to open.
I taught you several times.
No. The receipt. Last time I said, teach me the
Have you seen the amount 16,200?
Yes, that's what we did.
Now, if you have seen that 16,200, okay? Now, close it here. Close it here. Okay. Now here you select receipt control account.
Here?
Yes. There's no receipt control account. Oh, okay. Close it here. Go to advanced account. Probably you don't write like advanced general ledger here.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. If we, for example, maybe close it here. Okay. The easiest you see again here. Have you seen it this one? Where is the cash book? This one. You are able to see where the cash book is?
Yes, I can see what you're doing.
Okay. Now select today what you have done. There select receipt control account. Yes. Press enter. Just press enter. Did you post the receipt? Are you sure?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, fine. Use this one. Okay. Now receipt control account. Free. Make it big. Have you seen that debit of 16,200?
Yes.
Now, you need to get your, let's assume this money, everything went to the bank, okay? Now, you see this 16,200 appearing on your bank statement. Now, the only thing you need to do is you credit this account, this one, receipt control account, and debit your cash book. Full stop, nothing else, it ends there. So now, write it for me. Also write there 16,200 so that we do it together. Yeah, just write it somewhere.
Just remember.
Oh, you have written, you close there, okay? So now, after you have seen that 16,200 on your bank, now, remember when I was in Karurushi, first thing which I said is you need to create all the cash book general ledger into your chart of account, okay? You go under.
So where do you create them from?
Advanced accounts, okay? Now, create accounts here. I hope we are writing there.
Yes.
Okay. Now, because you don't know where to slot that one, close here. You need first to look at the chart of accounts to see which position are you going to slot it. Yeah. So she's opening the chart of account here. Okay. That is your chart of account. Okay. Next. So the first items are fixed assets. Okay.
Yes.
The next column are current assets. That's where it goes. That's where now you say next. Okay. Yeah. So now, if you check from the current assets, do you see anything where it says banks, where you can see bank, investors, bank?
Yes, yes. Banks fall under current assets, yes.
Now, if you look at those codes, for example, if we say, okay, for bank, investors bank, it is ending at 400-23-103. Suppose you want to create your own. So instead of ending with 103 at the end, it will end with 104. So you can keep on adding all of them. So
Mr. Christopher.
Yes.
Am I able to edit some of the banks in your chart of accounts?
Yes, you can.
Like
I want you to do your own so that this one becomes your example. We'll do it together. Don't worry. So that you have a full understanding how to enter a general ledger code which is not there.
Yes.
So now get it right for me. That one 400-23-1003. And the account
400-23-1003.
Yes. Then the account name is called the Bank Investors Bank. Have you written it somewhere?
Yes.
Okay. Now after I've written it somewhere, that is in all what you need. You close it here. So we need to create our own. Close the chart of account. So how do we create our account, general ledger account code for the cash book? You go where it says create accounts. Yeah. Have you seen that you have all these? These are, you can see they are already written. Now, how do you go to the blank page? Go to the blank page. You have seen where she has clicked? Click it.
Yes.
So that is the way, so that it brings a blank page where you create it. So now the one which you have written there, write it there. It was 400. Read it for us. 400.
400-23. 1003 Invest Trust.
Now there it won't be it won't be 103. It will be duplicated. So it will be 104.
Yes.
Then it up.
Yes.
Yeah. So now the bank which you want to use is there. Let's say you start with the bank. Type in the bank there.
Zanaco.
Okay. Pay attention, please. So here, she's saying Zanaco. So type in Zanaco there. Have you seen what she's doing here?
Yes.
Okay. So now, special code here, this account which you have created is a current asset. Are we together?
Yeah.
So you
yes,
assign the
it
current
is.
asset, your Papali special code. Have you seen that you are able to assign here? That's
yes,
all what you
okay.
need to do. Select the current asset.
Okay.
Then you simply add there.
Okay.
Wasila, end of story. So now that account is ready for usage. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Before you move, so we've created Zanaco. I saw Invest Trust. So are we? What happens if you have both dollar and Kwacha accounts?
We created the other one, but where it says Zanaco. Okay, just one moment. We can go back there. Okay. Here, what you need to do here, you say in bracket here, ZMW. Or Kwacha.
Oh, yeah.
In Kwacha, so that people will know to say this is Kwacha. Kwacha, which is Kwacha in name. Kwacha is like this. Kwacha. Yeah. This is Kwacha now. Then you simply add like that. Then now create another one called Bank Zanaco in bracket dollar. That one was 400.
That one was 423,104. So we got to 105.
Yeah, 105. 1005. Again. Then it up. Bank. Zanaco.
That's what it is. Oh, it's not watching.
So you select now the account, the special code. Yeah. Madam, you are following there, right?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So you simply add. So you have now both the Kwacha and the dollar account. Okay. Yeah. So we have posted that one. Okay. So close it there. So now that is 16,200, which we have seen there. Let's assume that it has appeared only the Kwacha account.
It's the dollar.
Okay.
It's dollar, so it's $1,000.
Now okay. Okay, $1,000, eh?
Yes.
Okay.
At exchange rate 16.2. That's what was giving us 16.2.
No problem. So you go to advanced accounts.
Cash book.
Not cash book. Create a journal here now. All you need now, we want to transfer that using a journal. So here, tab.
Why not cash book?
No, we are coming there. Don't worry. So
okay.
What is the date when it appeared on the account? Let's say it appeared today. So there you put the date when it appeared on the account, so that is easy to reconcile. Yeah. So let's assume today's date. Okay. Then there you need it where it says reference. You have to put the actual reference which is there. Whether it was a check, you put the check number. Okay. Because suppose you are not there. Who is going to know? How are they going to know to say this payment is this receipt is relating to this? If it is a at least there should be, you should have maybe, I don't know how the reference can be gotten for. I think there is a bank reference there for the receipt.
They do give some bank references. I think there's a number that can be used.
Now we are running out
when you
of
check
time.
on the back.
Let me give you another. You need to say cancel there. Yeah, the system is almost running out, so we'll have to go into another session anyway once it closes. So let's say the reference as per bank is 115. Okay, for argument's sake, type in 115 there. Tab. Then there, don't forget what was the exchange rate which you gave us.
16.2.
Then tab. At you go muka Excel. There, for Excel.
Customer.
No, what customer? You are dealing with the cash book there. We said that was a dollar, so type in bank, Parapachama Bank, so that Chama Bank was yes. Yeah, so now which one is USD? So,
Bank USD.
You do wrong things altogether.
No,
you can't remember what you were doing here. It is written US dollar in full. I remember very well.
There are so many in USD, so you can't remember.
Hey, it was bank in. It's not this one. I think we created
have you seen
another
which
one.
are highlighted?
Yes.
So you simply select here, which is that one. You enter there. That's all.
Yes.
So here, you put now the nine. What is it? Maybe you say receipt from receipt. Let me see.
From customer or the name of customer.
Yeah, from the customer. Let's say XC. No, the customer name. You need also the customer there. The description is maybe the customer is XC, whatever. Customer like that.
Yes.
You put the information which is very clear. Okay. Yeah. Then here you don't put anything.
Yes.
So the money is going into that. How much was it? 1,000. How many dollars which were on that?
$1,000.
Are you sure? Oh, $1,000. Okay.
1,000.
Yes. Now we are removing that from receipt control account. It's as simple. You just say receipt. That one. Then you simply say tab. Then instead of retyping that, you just copy what is on top there. Then you press here and paste. That's it. Then you will create it there with the same 1,000. End of story. That's it. You are done. All you need to do is simply say.
Okay. So debit the bank, credit the receipts.
Receipt control account. Full stop. Nothing else is required. If it was the payment, it's the opposite. It's the same. But I don't want to introduce you to the payment. We'll do it the later day. We concentrate with the receipt. That's all what you need to do with the receipt. Full stop, nothing else. Now the beauty with this, at the end of the day, as long as you have all transferred all the receipts, okay, then it means that the amount which will be on the bank, the cash book which will be there, will be always equal to your bank statement. The only difference will be to my bank charges, which you can as well.
Yes.
Your cash book and debit the expenses. Full stop. You don't have to do any bank reconciliation. What is it for? Yeah, you have everything done, sorted out. So now see what is happening here. Let's post that journal. So I will close here. Then we come here under advanced. The only thing which we need to do is to post it. So we post it here. This is the one. So now here I'll simply say post it. The same way you post a receipt, it's posted. So I'll say okay.
Okay, repeat that. Let me write. Are you recording this for me?
I think it's being recorded, yes.
Okay, you can share it later.
Yeah, so I will share it. I went under advanced, I went under post journal here. Journal JVs. Like that. Have you seen that is opening there? So guys, when you click here, if we had not yet posted, you would have seen something there. Instead of, if you want, you can even print that journal by coming here. I think it was journal number 1, if I'm not mistaken. But before posting, I would advise you to have a printout of that journal, because you might want to refer it to it at a later stage. Yeah. So if you come here, okay. So was it journal number 1? Okay, I didn't write it. But if you, yeah, there it is. See, in a diff. Now we everything banks and I will advise you, yeah, because you'll be delegating it to your subordinate. They should not go to post direct. They should print it and give it to you. Check that these amounts are going to the correct bank. If they are not, you can recall back to advanced accounts and correct the account before posting.
I see. Especially if the debits and the credits are wrong.
Yes, you can do that, yeah. So it's important before they are posted, someone checks to say, okay, everything is okay. Then they can post. Yeah, you can post yourself, no problem. Yeah. So at the end, down here, it also shows everything there, the total debit, credit, okay. Kwacha amount, everything. Even once you post it, to be writing your name there. The person who, yeah, even the person authorizing the journal to write everything there. So that trail, just in case of a dispute at the end, you can simply print that journal and see to say who created it and who posted it.
Okay. So these postings are done for this system are done using the journals. You don't do them direct in the cash books.
No, you see the journals. Once the reason is why we are doing it that way is because at the end of the day there are those items like uncredited deposit and unpresented checks. They are also
unpresented checks. Yes,
they are also accounted within the system there. If you want to print unpresented checks, you don't have to go in Excel. You go in the system. You can print them. That's way how it is. So meaning, if there was a person who was doing the bank reconciliation, you don't need that person because it's already there. Why do you need an extra person? There is no need to complete it. Yeah. So that's the way how it is.
Okay.
So now we'll concentrate with the receipt until you are okay. Once you are okay, then we go to the payment part. Once the payment part is done, then you are done with the cash book.
Oh,
yes.
So this is the cash book.
This is the cash book. So now, if you want to see the this is the cash book part. Now we are
cash book, Mr. Christopher Persistim.
Wait. So if you want to do the actual cash book, want to see the actual cash book, my size is cash book. So number.
Reporting here.
Reporting here. Now my size up. Cash book. Ilia dollar ilia. So
yes.
So I will say banki. Yeah. Panagadashi, Mamona Isano is a dollar per who's that in. So Maramona, a cash book in a dollar. Now Mona at night what the cash book up.
Oh, yeah. Cash book reports.
Okay. Danako dollar. Mamon. And the balance in 16,200. So as simple as that.
Okay. Like catch take practice. Cash payment that come morning correct.
So for practice, what I will do, I will create a training database so that kuranga mwaba okay. That's when you go in.